Hey there. So, just coming on live tonight to talk about a really important topic, and it's intuition. So, please say hi if you're hopping on live with me, and please say hi if you're on the replay, just hashtag replay. And so, what I'm talking about tonight is the importance of intuition. Now, this group is called Intuitive Manifestation Queens, right? The first part of it is about intuition. And intuition plays a really, really, really important role in manifesting. And I'm getting goosebumps as I'm talking about this, guys. Oh, wow. This is so cool. And so the reason intuition plays a really important role is because what happens is you put out there what you want to manifest, right? And then you are shown certain, so you put out there what you want to manifest, and then you are shown different ways, or you are told, so basically there's different ways that the universe communicates with you, okay? So like we've got our 5 senses in the physical, we also have our 5 senses in the energetic realm as well. So we've got, which are our clairs, right? Clairvoyance, claircognizance, clairaudience, clairsentience. I'm just trying to think. So it's basically, I'll give it to you in English. Basically seeing, hearing, feeling, touching and tasting. So all of our senses, right? So this is why, say, for example, a psychic, like you're working with a psychic, and they say, for example, your great-grandmother comes through and they're like, I can smell a roast, and they're telling me that, every Sunday we have a roast. So basically what's happening is there's sense of smell and sense of clairaudience. So the hearing is coming through from that higher realm, okay? And I'm getting full goosebumps as I'm talking about this. This is really cool. I think all the angelic beings are here tonight, which is really cool. So as I'm telling you this, just take it in, absorb it, ask any questions. I'm happy to answer, but we've got a lot of presence here with whilst I'm talking to you about this tonight. So basically what I'm saying is the reason, the most important reason to develop your intuition is so you have that really connected relationship with the divine, with the universe, whatever you call it, right? Your higher self, whatever. I don't care what you call it, but you just know it's a higher power. And so you'll put out there, this is what I want to manifest, and then you'll get insights. What I'm noticing lately is a lot of clairaudient. I pick up a lot of things, I hear it a lot. I'm told it a lot. So yeah, I have strong clairvoyance as well, but my clairaudient, all of my abilities, and feeling as well. So my clairaudience and feeling, I was getting all those goosebumps. So as I'm really delving deep within the work that I do, which I'm always delving deep, those clairaudience, clairvoyance, clairsentience, all of those are starting to really heighten now for me as I peel back, hi Leanne, as I peel back these layers upon layers upon layers of things that have, I know you do. I'm so excited. I love it. I love that you're here. I love you, Leanne. I love that you're here. Oh, if you're just coming on now, when you get off, please go back and watch this from the start, because there's some powerful stuff in here tonight. And I was just saying that I was getting full goosebumps as I'm talking about this. So there's definitely, that higher presence is here, because I've really been Awesome, Leanne. I've really been connecting really deeply lately, like going into those higher realms and really trusting what comes through my clairaudience, through my clairvoyance, through my clairsentience, and the more I'm learning, the more like this, I'm learning to trust what I'm getting. So this is where it's really powerful for you guys, because if you can work on your intuition, oh, thanks, beautiful, and so are you, Leanne. If you can work on this piece of the puzzle, right? If you can work on this connection with your intuition, which covers, like I said at the start, all of the clairs, all of your senses. When you can really strip away and start to trust, and you get that bond, you get that like absolute gelled, secure bond with your intuition, you will be unstoppable in this world, because you will have a relationship with that divine guidance and nothing will stop you. So I'm really thinking of, this is where I'm headed with things. Like, I love teaching about money and stuff like that. Like, that's amazing. I love it. But really lately, the intuition part has been really opening up and making itself so present to me that this is really key to people getting what they want out of life, okay? And really having that connection and that trust, and then being able to manifest what they want. Because like I said before, you say, I want to manifest such and such. And then you get through your different senses, you get the insights on how to move towards, like really move towards that manifestation. And once you set up that connection, boom, everything changes. Nothing will waver you. You will be so strong and solid and secure in yourself that nothing will stop you from focusing and knowing where you are going and knowing how to get there through your intuitive guidance, okay? And this is why, I was doing with people, I was doing the clairvoyance, training. But now I'm looking at, we need all our clairs, we can open up all of them. And if we can open up all of those senses, right, like I said, totally, totally powerful. And it opens up that communication with our higher self, with the divine, whatever you want to call it. And it's also like, we put the manifestation that we want out there, and it's like we get that insight of how to get there, and we've just got to keep taking the steps. And lately, because I hear like, go here or talk to this person or do this or do that, and lately I've just been doing it, and then I'll be like, oh my God, this is where I'm meant to be. This is exactly what I was thinking about, or this is exactly, my insight that I had before. And then it gives me confirmation. Then I build the belief. And then another thing happens. Then I get confirmation. Then I build the belief. And I just get stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger in myself. And this is what I want for you as well. I want you to have that strong, intuitive connection, because that is where you'll fly, right? And you see, we weren't taught this as children. We weren't taught how to connect to this. We were taught how to be, what to say, shut up, be quiet, don't be yourself, right? Now, we were never asked, how do you feel about that? You've got two options here. What do you feel in yourself is the best option? We weren't taught that as children, most of us. Luckily, my son came into my life, and I'm sure, Leanne, you're the same with your kids, that, I taught him how to tune in. So he knows how to tune into himself, and he's very strong and secure within himself. But, with myself and other people, we haven't been connected in. And that is our mate. That is our most important connection, I feel, is with our intuition. It will always guide us. And then we've got those senses that will help guide us to where we're meant to be. All right? So let me know if you have any questions. And remember, if you've just hopped on, go back and watch the start because it's pretty powerful stuff. And if you can really, like I'm telling you, this is the piece, I believe. This is the piece. A huge piece of the manifesting puzzle is getting a connection with your intuition, because then you can't go wrong. You don't need anyone or anything. You just need that connection with the divine and that trust in yourself, in the connection. Boom, boom, manifestation. Alrighty, have an amazing night. I hope this has been insightful for you, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.